Waste management service in Asheville Metro Area. Making your project easier and cleaner is what we do best at Rock Creek Containers. We take pride in offering dependable waste management service in Asheville Metro Area that fit any size job. Whether you're cleaning out your home or overseeing a large construction site, we have the perfect dumpster solution. Our team ensures quick deliveries and prompt pickups so you stay on schedule. We offer flexible rental periods to match your project needs, big or small. There are no hidden fees or confusing contracts with us, only honest, upfront pricing. We also care deeply about protecting the environment and practicing responsible waste disposal every step of the way. You can count on us for friendly, knowledgeable support from start to finish. Helping homeowners, contractors, and business owners is what drives us. Choosing the right dumpster is easy with our expert guidance. If you ever need help, our team is just a phone call away. We're proud to be a trusted waste management provider across Asheville and the surrounding areas. Let's make your cleanup process as simple and stress-free as possible. Contact us at 828-692-9017 to book your dumpster today. Choose our waste management service for reliable service and unbeatable support. We can keep your project clean, efficient, and moving forward.